Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this 30 pack of these color oil rubbed bronze cabinet handles that we ordered for our cabinets in our kitchen, as you can see here. So these are a double bar one, and they do install pretty easy with the included hardware. So here's the screws on the back side. That's basically how they're installed. They just screw in from the other side of the cabinet door. This is a 30 pack, and these appear more of a black color once you take them out of the package. So, and then we put these all in our kitchen. Nice about these too is if you turn them the opposite way, they can be used as a drawer pull too, instead of a cabinet handle. So that's another reason we got them too, to be able to use on drawers. As you can see here, we put them on this this drawer right here, so you can use them to pull out. They install the same way with the hardware on the back side. But that's pretty much it. Just a simple little cabinet handle or drawer pull that we got to use in our house.